market is the equivalent of the red pill.
This is a technology, it's a computing language, and I can build an app on it.
Is Bitcoin the currency of the future?
Crypto gang, ether gang, big gang, alt gang, light gang, cash game, blockchain. Whoa, I don't really ever buy stocks, man. No. Haters wanna say I'm in a bubble, man. No. Chew 'em up like bubble gum. No. Just made a meal with my pocket change. No. Wreck about to go and join the Hodl gang. Hodl gang, Hodl gang, Hodl gang. Crypto gang, ether gang, big gang, alt gang, light gang, cash game, blockchain. Whoa, I don't really ever buy stocks, man. No. Haters wanna say I'm in a bubble, man. No. Chew 'em up like bubble gum. No. Just made a meal with my pocket change. No. Wreck about to go and join the Hodl gang. Hodl gang, Hodl gang, Hodl gang. Ethereum pays for my rent. Bitcoin pays for the vent. Litecoin pays for the jet. Bitcoin cash for the rest. Spent 30 racks on an ICO. What coin did you buy? I forgot, yo. Just got started last night, bro. And I'm already hooked like a pipe though.
I'm only going to get
this one chance. Something's wrong. I can feel it.
It's just a feeling I got. Like something's about to happen. I don't know what.
If you're not paying attention, you probably should be.
You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up.
If that means what I think it means, we're in trouble. Big trouble.
Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy?
bye, 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 bye.
Who's your daddy?
Welcome back to the Luxaga live stream. My name is Jacob. Oh my goodness, what a flippin' weekend, my friends. What a weekend indeed. Into today, held Bitcoin 50K mark all weekend long. Absolutely just demolished through that high just now. What a way to start off the week. Daddy's back, baby. Let's get it. First of all, let's get rid of this music and get something better in here. But yet again, guys, good to be back. Happy Monday. We got our top 10 viewers from last week locked in. Remember, every single week you have a chance to be a top 10 viewer, and on Monday, like today, we pick our top we pick one out of those top 10s to win $100, so you have a chance today. Friday, our winners from Friday will get their moolah today, so stay tuned for that. Usually weekends, tough to get payments over because everybody's off, right? So today, payments all being sent for our winners on Friday. If you are a top 10 viewer this week, yet again, remember, next Monday, you have a chance to win $100 as well. Other than that, though, also remember that if you're a top 10 viewer, you have a chance to, I don't know why this music's so loud today, but you do have a chance to, end of the week, if we end up hitting 110 likes per stream this week, you do get, let me dim this down a bit. I don't know why that was so loud. You do get a chance to win $100. We give away $300 at the end of every single week. So welcome back. Welcome back. Our top 10 viewers. Let me double check here. But guys, major runs on Bitcoin. We'll talk about this entry we made recently. But good to see everybody back. Oh yeah, sorry, I'm trying to catch up on everything. The memberships are now live. You'll see a join button next to the Luxaga logo. Remember, we did want to make these for free, but they are $1. That, I mean, that's the cheapest you can make them to actually do the membership. So if you do Yo, what's up? Welcome. People from the TikTok joining us. Love to see it. If you do want to be part of that, you get, those custom emotes like Who's Your Daddy, the Pepe. You get these 4 right now. The more members we get, the more emojis we can add. So we'll add Hodl Gang and stuff like that as well. But you also get priority on your symbol analysis. And then there's also another level where you can be related to Pepe. You can say, hey, I'm related to Pepe. Come join and hang out. But yeah, it's free also for anybody that is a premium YouTube user. It's also free. So you can essentially be a part of that as well. You can get it absolutely free for the first month, but it's $1. I mean, I wish I could make it free, but if you do want those emotes and stuff, you can join that. Just hit the join button next to the subscribe button. But welcome back, guys. Let's get us started with let me double check here. I think we start with the top 10. Can you change your name after joining? What do you mean? I don't know what you mean. What's up, Brad? How you doing? We're going to talk about a few trade opportunities we got here. Let me pull up our other music we go with, and then we'll get rolling on the stream. But love to see you guys. Welcome back. And 1 millisecond here. Where's my save? Here we go. Yeah. All right. Bitcoin 53K, Jockey. That's right, my friend. That is right. 53K. Insane. All right. Sorry for the delay. Let's go ahead and add our top 10 names to the Pepe wheel and pick our top 10 viewer from last week. Remember, to be a top 10 viewer, you have to be predicting Bitcoin correctly. By the end of the stream, you get 100 points added to your profile. If you don't, then obviously you can chat more. You can share. And this week, we're going to take a vote, guys, by the way, on being, I don't think we're going to be, we can duel. I think dueling's worth leaving in, but not the gambling, because that jumped a lot of people ahead for some silly reason. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and add to our wheel our top 10 peeps this week. Started off with, let me go ahead and throw up the Pepe wheel real quick. There we go. Breaking the matrix already. Breaking the matrix already. All right, I have them written down here. If you didn't make the top 10 list, I'm sorry, guys. Remember, you have a chance every week, and also we give away $300 every week, so I don't want to see any complaining, all right? This is what the top 10 was. This is what I'm writing down. All right, first up, I have Doran. Doran is up first. Our top 10 viewers from last week was Doran Ravaska. The guy cranked through those eyes via gambling his points, really. Zukius. Yo, Tom joining up with the first member, Tom. Tom was actually number 10 on the top 10 list. Tom's our first overall member for $1. See, it's that easy. It's $1 a month if you want custom emojis. If I could make it free, I would totally make it free. But welcome, Tom. I appreciate you joining up. Let's see here. Sorry, I want to double check this. Welcome to the Hodl gang. This could be kind of cool. We can start doing that. AZ number 2. I don't even know how to pronounce some of these, to be honest. AZUIKIS was number 2. ANDRIUS number 3. Jesus. ANDRIUS. These are our top 10 viewers from last week. Fam again. Fam in the top 10 again. Fam won last week. It landed on Fam last week. Our boy Big Dennis in the house. RHILDOR1. Sordic, bro. You were the one complaining, and you made it in the top 10 this week. I love you, Sordic. Don't worry. Sordic cake. Stuart joining the Hodl gang. Appreciate it, my friend. Welcome. Get those custom emojis spamming in the chat. I love to see it. Brad also made it. We know what Brad is. Kemmel made it. Kemmel was in it all week. Monster Boneless joining the Hodl gang. Awesome, man. Welcome. Vincent. Guys, again, it's $1. You get custom emojis. how to gain points. You tune in every single day. You put in your Bitcoin predictions. And then every Monday, we top 10 viewers from the previous week has a chance to win $100. I throw them up on the Pepe wheel, and we get going. Vincent, and then Tom. Wow, Tom just joined. No, the wheel's messing up. I gotta make sure these are tight. Pepe's getting loose over here. We don't want to lose Pepe. All right. Those are our top 10 from last week. I'm sorry if you didn't make it. It was very slim margins there from our predictions last week. But yet again, guys, welcome back to the Lux Cycle live stream. 3 members already today. Remember, it's $1 to join the Hodl gang. You are a gold. Look at that. Stuart Milton, you see, you got gold next to your name. Because I hate the gold symbol and the amount of people that ask about gold and wanting to have gold, that's your first ranking. After 1 month of being a member, you do get a way better. I think Pepe is. Let me see. I kind of want to see now. What is the Pepe? Okay. Where can I see it? Memberships. Will it even show me? I can go get it later. I'd look at the rankings again. You can probably see it when you're signing up. Oh wait, yeah, here. Okay, you get the bullish signal. You get the Doge. Pepe is level 4. Pepe, you get the badge at. I would have to go back and look. I don't even know what the badge level is when you get Pepe. I think it's 6 months. If you're a 6-month subscriber, you get Pepe as your badge number. For now, you're gold. All right. These are our top 10 viewers from last week. Let's get rolling. I'm going to spin the wheel. Whoever it lands on, you're going to win $100 this week. Make sure, though, that you're in the Discord. You reach out to me. If you want to claim your $100, reach out to me, and we'll get it to you today. Along with the winners on Friday, you'll get yours today as well. All right, here we go. Pepe's picking. Do something good. Who we got? Tom! Awesome, Tom. You honestly deserve it. Tom's one of the best that's been in the chat since the beginning, man. Congratulations, Tom. Reach out to me, buddy. Join the Discord. You know it. Tom also just joined the membership, guys. It's $1. You get a nice colored name there, as well as some custom emojis and priority. You get priority picks. If you want a specific ticker symbol picked, and I see your name is green there, then and you're a member, I will pick yours over anybody else. So congrats, Tom. Tom deserves it, man. He literally just paid $1 to be a membership, and he's getting 99 in return. So there you go. Smash the like button, guys. Remember, smash the like button when you get 110 likes today, and then we will continue with a potential $300 giveaway on Friday. All right. All right. Let's get going though. Let's get cranking. Okay, first up, you guys know the ordeal. We're gonna do Bitcoin predictions. Sorry, little delayed here with the giveaway. All right, Bitcoin predictions are up first. All right, what I'm gonna do is, you know the ordeal. If you are new here, what happens is in just a second, you'll see the bot post whether or not you think Bitcoin's going to be more or less than a certain price. What you do to enter is you type in exclamation BTC, more or less. At the end of the stream, if you are correct, you get 100 points added to your profile. At the end of the week, if you're one of our top 10 viewers via your points, then you get a chance to enter into today's spinning wheel like we just did, that Tom just won, to better chance of winning $100. Now, when you become a member, I'm going to make sure this works, but when you become a member by hitting that join button down by the Lux Algo subscribe button, I'm pretty sure I can give you guys extra giveaway entries at the end of the week. So I will double check on that, but there is a way to do it, I'm pretty sure. So just join it. It's literally $1. So make it easy. Join the Hodl gang, and then obviously with you can be Pepe's sibling, but honestly the Hodl gang is probably the best, easiest way to do it. All right. That being said, let's get to the Bitcoin predictions. Now, I'm going to look over at the price and then tell you. Boom. All right. Predictions starting now. So all you have to do is type in exclamation BTC, more or less. All right. Do you think it's going to be more or less than 53,568 by the end of the stream? I'm going to go ahead and pin that as well. And we're going to get into now filling the wheel. Stuart, make sure you don't put a space there. I don't think it'll work if you have a space. But if you are correct at the end of the stream, you'll get 100 points added to your profile. And I disabled gambling today on the points, your channel points. But you can still duel each other on channel points. Do I have copy trading option? No. Don't fight the trend. Guys, you know our number one rule. Make sure you don't put exclamation space. Make sure it's exclamation BTC all one thing. All right. Okay. That being said, though, let's now, well, I'm going to, while you guys are doing that for a second, and you're kind of eyeing Bitcoin, seeing what you're thinking, I'm going to erase Pepe so we can fill the Pepe board. Get off of there. Get off of there. Come on, baby. There we go. Tom, make sure to reach out. All right. That being said, let me skip this song. It's driving me nuts now. Probably driving you guys nuts too. Get back to our lo-fi. All right. All right, guys, you know the deal. Those of you that are in the chat and are new here, that's exactly what happens. Guys, we need to hit 110 likes today if you want to do the $300 giveaway on Friday. It's that easy. 110 likes, 122 of you in here right now. But let's get going on the wheel again. All right. I know we got some new peeps in here today, but yet again, now what happens is throw a ticker symbol in the chat. If I select or throw it, man, guys, I need somebody to wake me up a little bit. All right, throw a ticker symbol in the chat. I will throw it on Pepe if I think it's a good one to go over. And again, every single day we do this, so we'll go over different ones throughout the week unless something has really moved. If you're a part of the Hodl gang, you do have priority pick. So I'll put yours up before anybody else. Welcome, Marlan. Welcome to the Hodl gang. Appreciate it, my friend. Welcome. $1, guys. It's $1. You get some cool emojis. And then the more members we get, and this is my favorite emoji, I think, the Who's Your Daddy emoji. The more emojis we get, the more we're going to, the more members we get, the more emojis we can add. So get ready. Get ready. Okay, starting off. ETH, we're going to go over BNB. Doran said. I'm going to just look at BNB really quick. Because it has been moving, obviously, with everything else. And BNB's doing really well, actually. I think we're going to slide on BNB. Solana, we're definitely going over, by the way. JUP. I know you guys have been asking that for a while. I don't know, man. It's just so new. Yeah, JUP's so new, man. CAD, JPY from Sortic. Yeah, okay. Go daily, weekly on this. It's so funny. All these are so high up, man. All right, 4 hour. Let me go to the 4 hour on this Sortic. Okay. Yeah, we'll look at that. CAD, JPY. We'll start with that. Not a bad one to get. It's a legit one. Pan W. I know somebody mentioned that before. We went over that last night. We're going to go over Bitcoin. Don't worry. Cotty. Oh, Cotty and SEI. I saw you guys say SEI. We're going to definitely look at SEI. You guys were putting Cotty down there a million times earlier. Welcome to the Hodl game, my friend. Appreciate it. Jerome? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm butchering that. Cotty, man. This thing's cranking. Wow. Cotty B. Cardi B in the house. Got our own cryptocurrency now. Dude, this thing is tough. PHB, Stuart, he's a member. Guess what? PHB on the board because he's a member. It's that easy, guys. I'm assuming, Stuart, you're saying the Phoenix crypto. PHB for Stuart. Welcome to the Hodl Gang Lub. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it for joining. Cotty on a roll. Yeah, I think we'll put Cotty up there. We'll put Cotty. Why not? Hottie. Apple, RSR. I know somebody, you guys have been saying RSR for, well, somebody's been probably spamming RSR. I don't know. Sorry, let me look at this real quick. Binance. Usta. This is interesting. Toyo. Link. Yes, sir. Lub. Appreciate it, man. Link did exactly what we said. Bouncing off that 18 buckaroonies. That's what we've been watching for. Google, Bitcoin, Flare. We can go over Link, Lub. Do you want to go over Link? STX USD for Marlan. Got to put that up there. Guess what? He's a member. Today, I'm taking all members' requests. At least one. If you join today, I will take your request. It's literally $1. Join the Hodl gang. AXL. Tom, did we take one of yours already, man? I don't think we did. He said Cotty, but other people were saying that. I don't think Tom, you said Cotty, bro. We're putting Cotty. You want Cotty or AXL, Tom? Your choice. Your choice. Love, you said Link. Okay, I got you. Link's a good one anyway. Cotty or AXL, Tom? I got you. Pyth. We haven't looked at Pyth. Pyth on the Python network. We can do Pyth. Sirkin, welcome to the Hodl game, man. Oop, wrong one. Guys, it's literally $1. Also, if you have YouTube Premium, you can literally sign up for either one. You can be... oh, he's Pepe's sibling. The first related to Pepe, man. Pepe is about to have a lot of siblings. Sirkin gets top 10 priority access. Yeah, Sirkin with the link. I got it up there for you, buddy. Link is on the board. We'll go over link 100%. Sirkin. Love it. Palantir. Apple. CFG. Tom, I already put yours up, bro. We all have Pepe colors. Dame, you better join the Hodl gang, man. You could piss me off. I'm just kidding. The $1, bro. Yeah, you still have your chance to put in your Bitcoin predictions, by the way. Before we fill this board. We got 3 slots left, my friends. What do you guys want? RSR. I know that man said RSR. He's Jero. I don't know if we... Tesla's actually not... I'm going to put Tesla up there for our boy, because guess what? He's a member. He's a member. You guys join, you get priority access. Also, Tesla's a good one to look at regardless. We need one stock at least on there. Google, NVIDIA. NVIDIA is just cranking, man. I wouldn't really worry about NVIDIA. RSR. Hodl gang. That's right. Hodl gang all day. RSR, dude, it's just cranking. It just keeps going. I mean, it's not really much we can look at. Anybody? We'll look at Euro USD actually. China. XLM. XLM's not bad. All right, bet. This is actually starting to play off. We have that line there that Brad always tells me to put on there. I like XLM. We have that line there now that's broken back over. XRP, Atom, Apple, Bitcoin. We're going to look over Bitcoin. You guys know the deal. We're going to look over gold. You know the deal. Come on. XRP. DGB, 1. Atom. Atom from Cryptic. Cryptic's one of our... a good user I've seen, or a good viewer. Seen him here a lot. Atom's actually pretty solid. Oh my gosh. I missed my entry. I'm going to put Atom up here for Cryptic. We'll put Atom. All right. Yeah. All right, boys. All right, my friends, gents, ladies and gentlemen. We have filled the Pepe board. Thank you guys for putting in your suggestions. Remember, people that are part of the Hodl gang get priority pick on the board. So make sure you join the Hodl gang. Just hit the join button down there. But welcome. It's literally $1. I wish I could make it free. I really do wish I could make it free. But that being said, guys, I'm closing Bitcoin predictions right now. So put them in. Give you 2 seconds. Type in exclamation BTC. More or less, do you think it's going to be above or more or less than 53,568 by the end of the stream? Okay. I'm going to close it in 5, 4, 3. It's next to the if you escape and you're on the actual live stream browser, you'll see the join button. It should be right next to the Lux Algo YouTube channel link or page or whatever. I need to put it in the description as well. All right, closing it. Got a good bit of you guys in here. 58 predictions today. Great job. End of the stream, we'll see where it's at. But let's go into charting. Let's get going. Let's get going. Love, did you enter yours? I got you, buddy. Love is a member. See, look, he's got a he gets an extra. He gets a safety on that. He gets a safety net. Love, I got you. Since you're a new member, I got your prediction in before. I'm gonna just save it really quick. All right, bet. But that's it. We're done now. I got you. Special treatment, exactly. You join the Hodl gang, man. $1. Jeez, easy as that. All right, guys. I need to switch to going live on YouTube now. Also, these points are wrong. Why did I have these up? Nobody has that many points right now. I'm sorry. All right. I'm going to go live on Insta. One sec. Because those people are impatient over there. All right. Say that before we go on. Pretty soon we're going to go live on TikTok as well at the same time. Let me just pull up my Insta chat and then we'll get rolling. Welcome back, my friends. We got a lot to talk about today. Starting with Bitcoin, right? Starting with Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin had the exact setup we talked about on Friday. We talked about this weekend if you were a part of the TikTok live stream as well. But overall, lovely, lovely moves that we've had through this high. Now, you might be seeing, oh, bro, you entered on this breakout. Well, when the trade sets up itself, that's exactly what we do, okay? Exactly what I do. And guess what happened? Well, we talked about this multiple times, and this is why I love the 4 hour. But overall, we were setting lower highs, right? We're setting lower highs on the oscillator and lower lows in confluence with it. We broke through this swing point here. Let's go back. One more time. This one here, we broke right through it right there. Boom, with the trend as well. Broke through it, came back. Guess what? Had a turning point on that retest. Just so happened to be on this massive, massive candle. But again, when the oscillator is showing that in our favor, we look for a entry and just take it. Well, we just so happen to welcome Cryptic, Pepe's sibling, number 2. Love to see it. Welcome to the Hodl gang, Cryptic. Now he's officially related to Pepe. Pepe's got 2 siblings. So, insane. Wheel is now related to people. That being said, though, guys, bouncing off that absolutely amazing. Exactly what we wanted to see on the 4 hour. We talked about on Friday how we wanted to see that continued support over 50K, then looking for that breakout. That's exactly what we got. All right. That's exactly what we got, and we're continuing from here. Now, you can see here, daily time frame did the exact same thing as well. Right now, the daily candle is starting to create a turning point off a previous support level too. So it broke that trend there, had a higher low, came back down. Now we're bouncing yet again off the same price. So overall, every chart's lined up for this breakout move. It's looking super solid right now. Now tomorrow, if this doesn't continue and this falls back down, falls off, or today doesn't close above this high breakout here, if that BOS doesn't happen at 53K, then overall this could be just a liquidity grab and it wants to, head lower from there. So that's the only worry, only thing we have to really watch out for before we actually consider this a guaranteed breakout, because we got roughly 5 hours left on the day. So yes, let's wait to see if that even occurs, right? That's the biggest thing. Weekly chart though, let's dive into it. Weekly chart, right? Oscillator, beautiful bounce yet again once we had this first initial breakout. Essentially, this week had a lovely candle close for that trend continuation. Exactly what we like to see. We're going to throw up the breaker blocks now. Rallying very high above that breaker block. Where's that upside target like we've been talking about last week? Well, what we like to do here is pull up our fixed range profile. That was the wrong one. Let me get that back. Fixed range profile. We draw it in roughly where this range kind of started, which is about right here. And as you can see right now, we have a valley we're still in. So long as we're up here above last week's high, which we are right now at 53K, If we're going to hold that early this week, I think you can get a nice consolidation, or sorry, nice continuation, not consolidation. Nice continuation through this volume valley and then come up into 55 to 56K. But overall, the peak somewhere around 58,000. So that was our upside target on this move. But Hodl gang strong, man. We are just going nuts. Okay. So beautiful moves so far on Bitcoin. Hopefully we get that continuation. We will keep a close eye on it for sure. But overall, everything's lining up really nicely with this lovely breakout. Really want to see that BOS form today. So keep a close eye on that BOS. Ethereum. Let's jump into ETH. Now, you guys know our overall ETH target is 3,300, right? 3,300. We go to the let's go back to the weekly. Sorry. Go to that weekly chart. Biggest target, right, up there at the bottom of that order block. We always target the bottom of the order blocks because higher probability of them hitting, as well as easier targets more so than an actual swing point or high or low. So that's always a first TP to keep in mind. Above it is the high, obviously, of the previous swing point as well, which is the top of that order block too. So right now, we'll short it, she said. I use my order blocks. Yeah, that's how I trade them. But again, you necessarily can do it a completely different way. It's up to you and how you are when it comes to being, your type of risk and way of trading, right? So high of last week, we closed over the previous week high. This is what we discussed all last week. We wanted to see if the previous week of 28.96 was going to get closed over this last week. And it did. It closed at $3,121, right? $3,121. Easy as that. Now we got to see the same continuation. Let's see if this week can also close over last week's high of $3,121. So right now we're trading above that. Love to see it. We started the week late last night. We had a great little overnight session. And coming into today, we have a lovely continuation right now. Still targeting that 3,300. Now, oscillator just, it came back down, dipped, right, on the weekly into below the overbought territory. Now it's back down. Back up over into overbought. But it is right off this same similar high right now. If we pull back on this, should have pulled up the screeners before. But for the screeners here, as we can see, I'm going to actually zoom in one more. Screeners right now, weekly, strong bullish on the ETH for the signals and overlays. Strong bullish on price action as well in the screeners. And also bullish on the oscillator as well, too. So everything's lining up quite bullish on ETH and Bitcoin. Bitcoin strong bullish on price, on the signals and overlays, but not just regular bullish on price action. But overall, good moves so far. All right, ETH 3,300 is still in play. We want to continue for today, though. We want to see that daily close over yesterday. Yesterday's close was, yesterday's high, my bad, was 31.21 again. So 31.21, we want to see that closure today. We're trading above it right now pretty nicely, so we'll see where we end up. Do I trade Forex pairs? Every once in a while. Indicators are price action concepts and the oscillator matrix. And signals and overlays when we have the chance. But again, we're just riding. We're riding that NeoCloud right now. Absolute monster of a move so far. ETH, I'm going to give this to Dame early, but ETH yet again.
Who's your daddy?
Man, we've been calling these moves on ETH forever. Who's your daddy? Emotes in the chat as well. So now that if you are a member, you can emote who's your daddy, which is even better. So make sure you throw that in. But overall, beautiful, beautiful moves on ETH. We're going to continue to watch for the break and hold above previous day's highs. So long as that continues to happen, it's going to continue moving in the right direction. So 3,300, first target. Above that, remember 3,500. So beautiful moves. Let's jump to Solana. Remember, Solana was the one thing we were worried about the most. Jacob, Bitcoin has a big imbalance on the 4-hour. You're talking about a bullish imbalance? There he was. There he is. But, guys, Solana, guess what? It finally bounced off of this area that we were watching. We were watching this change of character. We wanted to see if it bounced. It was failing to bounce over and over again. And then it finally showed that this thing wanted to possibly continue off this level. $100 was pretty much a beautiful area of support. If you got in off 100, great job. Obviously, psychological level. We talked about this possibly being that psychological price point. Now, that being said, there's two things that can happen. If we get a nice extension on top of today, which means we get some very high volume, this continues, it'll probably retest that recent open close high around 117 very quickly. And if that's the case, then look at the oscillator. It's quite low right now, which means that there is a potential idea for a bearish divergence, which would form something like this. That's when we set, a new high, maybe go retest this high up here at 120. That's if today repeats itself. We have a very great day today on Solana. We're up 5%. Massive moves on Solana. Absolutely massive moves. So we'll definitely see if we can get a really big continuation into tomorrow. But fantastic day on Solana. Remember, we talked about a potential bearish setup on the daily if it comes back to retest this higher low. If it comes back and rejects off of that, we will still keep that in mind. But overall, the money flow is starting to increase yet again, and this is just a really good day. It bounced perfectly off of that. But guess what else we talked about was that fib retracement, and we're off what? That 50% retracement on the pretty much the penny, you could say. Beautiful 50% retracement, holding up nicely. Lovely new higher low. Exactly what you like to see when you trade a fib retracement. But overall, turning point on the oscillator looks really nice on the daily here. Everything's looking actually quite solid. If I'm targeting upside right now, I would be targeting 117. Above that, I'm targeting this last open close high of 121 roughly. But then over that, we have plenty of room. And we can talk about that too. But for now, Solana definitely bullish right now because it actually came into play and showed us that it wanted to get bought off that $100 level, which is really good to see. Let's jump into the weekly. If we really want this week to do well, I personally want two things to happen. I want one or the other thing to happen, but I either want price to close roughly right at last week's open, which was 112, okay? I want to see either a close right at 112 or, let me get something here, right at 112, or I want to see it close above last week's high, which was 114. So very possible this week, especially with Monday today being the day that it's jumped 5%. That's huge for a weekly candle. So we'll see if that weekly candle can close over last week's high of 114. Remember, we said maybe 117 could hit. But overall, look, 114 makes sense. Two open close highs there that happened, a few months apart, but it definitely happened. So two open close highs sitting right there definitely looks, bearish from that stance from last week's close. But this week, right now, this candle forming looks absolutely solid. When is a good entry for Solana? Honestly, Lub, if you're under $100, that's probably your best bet right now. We really wanted to see it be. I forgot to delete this. We really wanted to see it be a little bit lower, like 94. But what did we get last? What did we get last week? It was the low 98.46. Yeah, under 100 would have been the money shot right now. But overall, for Solana, this is something that I would. It's one of my top 3 holdings. Right, I've said that a million times. This is something that I would technically invest in, and I do invest in every other week. All right, so it's something that is worth the investment, I think, for a longer term play. But overall, great trades so far on Solana. Let's go to the 4-hour really quickly. Talk about it. So 4-hour setup here, absolutely beautiful. Now, we said this on Friday too. We said a potential inverse head and shoulders formation, and that's exactly what we got. We got this closure here was honestly cash money. I would have, if I would have actually caught this morning, I would have probably entered off of that closure there and taken, that ride there. But now target upside, bottom of the order block, like always, 112 will be that first target. Inverse head and shoulders played out beautifully. If you were on the TikTok stream last night, we talked about that. Ended up closing exactly where we wanted it to. But overall, yet again, here, lower highs form, breaks out, turning point above that lower high that just formed, higher low here. Beautiful reversal setup. This is bullish divergence. as well. This is really clean bullish divergence forming right here. Lower low price, higher low on the oscillator. Sets up beautifully for that breakout. So beautiful moves on Solana. Target right now upside 112. Then, you know, if we can actually break out of 115, I think we have no problem retesting that high we set back in mid-February. So really focus on that move. Guys, we got to smash that like button. If you guys want a $300 giveaway this Friday, get on the YouTube. If you're on Instagram, smash the like button, because, you know, we have, our goal literally is to hit 110 likes per stream, and we'll give away $300. It's that easy. Come on. We need a daily goal. We need to do something here. Appreciate all our new members. Welcome to the Hodl gang. If you are a member, you get priority symbol analysis. So whatever you put in the chat that you want to look at, that's what we'll put on our good pal Pepe here. All right. So Solana, guys, 112 upside target, bullish around, bullish all around. Let me double check here. Matic. Let's go to Matic. Our Matic trade has been going bonkers. Those you know, this is literally the last 25% of our trade. We have been holding this for a good bit here, right? If we want to show our executions, we took some off at that first initial open close high here. And then we took the rest off up there. If we go to the daily, actually, I can show you. Daily right here, we took our entry where we're at. Took some off right at this open close high right there. And then we took some off right up here at this open close high as well. And now we're holding the rest for that continuation. If I go to the weekly chart, right now, I really want to see 107. Honestly, I'm going to probably hold this longer to 118 plus. But, you know, we might just dwindle it down all the way until maybe we get 147 if that continues. But overall, massive, massive moves. You take entries on at 15 minutes. No, I don't. Or I guess if you're talking to Dame or something. If you're talking to me, I don't take 15 minutes. Where's the TikTok stream? TikTok streams on TikTok. Well, we do it. We've done it late night. We've done late night TikTok streams recently. But guys, thanks for being here. Again, congrats to Tom for winning our top 10 viewer. Man, who didn't tell me one of my hair pieces? My hair's a little crazy today. I need my hat. Where'd my hat go? I think it's actually in the other room. But overall, Matic, guys, still looking for this upside target at 107 right now. Beautiful, beautiful moves. Insane. All right, let's jump over to the NASDAQ. I mean, guys, come on. We're up here, break even today. We're finally seeing a little bit of consolidation, okay? So we are seeing a little bit of consolidation. You can see we've failed now to break out of this high. Not yet. I wouldn't say we fully failed yet, but on Friday, remember, we broke out of that high at 181.44. Had a new high got set on Friday. Now it's kind of just chilling. 18K, definitely a price point to keep an eye on. We'll see if we can continue off of 18K. I'm going to minimize my Instagram chat just in case it fails again. Praying it doesn't. We crashed on Friday. I don't want that happening again. 18K, though. That's what I'm going to look for, that support right now. See if it wants to hold up. The trend is still intact. The trend's your friend. Don't fight the trend. You guys know the drill, right? Overall, though, if this thing's going to continue to hold like this, there's no reason to short it. I need to see it actually show me bearish structure to actually short something like the NASDAQ. Still cranking. Right now, we talked about this a little bit last night. Now, we've been holding support, though, up here. But honestly, if this retraces, what we want to watch for is this 50-55 level. Right now, we did break below a potential, I mean, a very, very minor swing low on the NASDAQ, or on the ES here. Very, very minor swing low. But if that were the case, coming back down here, 50-57, if we're talking about SPY, for those that trade SPY, it would be back down to this BOS at $5.03. So watch for that if it does retrace, to give you, yet again, just a proper retracement. Nothing too crazy, I would say. Nothing too crazy. Okay. So seeing that, that's kind of what I would want to watch for SPY or the ES, and go from there. Now, is there a schedule for live chats? What do you mean, Lub? I don't know what you're asking. Sorry. But yeah, right there, that 50-60 level, really, on the daily there. You can see that BOS. I want to hold over that BOS. Still bullish. But if we get a retracement on ES down here, we get some consolidation, then, you know, we look for a break to either side, play that accordingly. Sorry. Tom, sorry, I'm double checking what you're saying. Oh, members only. Look, that I don't know. Are you asking like, are we gonna have a points for giveaway? Are you talking like a private chat, Lub? Are you talking about private chat? Let's jump to gold. Pull gold up. All you gold fiends out there. All right. Oh, yeah. So every once in a while we might do a members only chat, by the way. So we can just talk to you or whatever. Just, we can do whatever you guys want, to be honest. If you're a member, I'm going to listen to our members versus just viewers. So Love, if you want to chat, dude, message me on Discord. I'll chat with you cuz I know you're a member. Give you priority chatting if you have any questions. All right, here you go. Gold. Here we go. Daily trend. I talked about this on the TikTok live last night, but yet again, we've been rejecting this trend. 4 hour rejected it, right? A daily trend. Don't fight the trend. Why are you going to fight it, right? Lovely price action on Friday. Nice volume, nice volatility. Moved really, really big. Moved really, really nicely. Guys, you guys are distracting me again. Definitely, I mean, I was bearish from day one when we had this breakdown on the change character there, but it did bounce back. Never had a setup for me to go short, which is fine. I'm not going to say like, hey, you should have gone short, whatever. But never set up, right? Never set up. Oscillator didn't set up. Remember what we talked about here. Our setup could have occurred if this thing didn't just collapse with that massive sell-off candle. Had a lovely little faint back retracement, right? We had that BOS. I wanted to see price overnight hold 2030. Did not hold 2030. It's still trying to, but I will trade this thing if it breaks out above 2040. If that happens, then there is a potential setup if it is going to trade and continue to trade above 2040. But for now, I'm not looking long until I see that break and hold above 2040. It did break it, but didn't fully hold. You have a lot of resistance from the past over there as well. So overall, nothing too crazy on gold just yet. If it does break 2015, though, I will look on the downside for this, okay? So really keeping an eye on gold shortly. It's in a weird little spot here. Daily's still in a bearish trend. We want to see if it can break out or then break down below 2015 or break out above 2040. If price holds 2030, though, it's inevitably going to break out through the 2040 level, okay? Exactly. All you have to do is wait for confirmation, guys. You know. I am in sell from 20. Dude, you're insane. You're insane being in sell from 2040. Gold terrible, like always. Gotta love it. I will say though, guys, later on too, if you are a member, which all you have to do is hit that join button next to the Lux Algo name. If you have YouTube Premium, you get your first month free, but it's literally $1. It's $1. You get custom emotes and you get a cool name with a icon next to it. Right now you have a gold icon because you're new, because everybody always says gold. But also, I think with the membership, I'm going to double check if a member wants to test it out with me. We might test it out here at maybe after stream or something. But you might get an extra entry in the giveaway as well. I think there's a way to implement a feature where you can get an extra entry on Friday giveaways. Best spent $1. Yeah, literally $1. You can't do anything with $1 these days, but you can get cool emojis, and then you get your name green. So, not too bad. All right. Gold, right? Gold. All right, Bitcoin right now. Still, wow. Oh, my goodness. I kind of just want to look at Bitcoin all day. I literally just want to look at Bitcoin all day. This thing is absolute. I mean, look at the 15-minute candles. Insane. This thing is just rock and roll, man. Absolutely insane. Major moves. Okay, let's get to... Okay, oh, we have 10 minutes left. Oh, bad. We have 10 minutes until we have to get to the Pepe board. Oh, let's look at the Euro. Euro USD. Mr. Euro himself. Finally bouncing again. Late last night. Had a nice little bounce. We looked at Solana earlier, man. Sorted, come on, where you at, brother? Yeah, oh, that's why I want to, guys, okay, actually, real quick, let me do a poll for this. We haven't done this. We didn't do it last week. How should we give away 300 on Friday? So we didn't do this last week, but I'm assuming I know your answer. $300 to one winner. But it's always been close. So I'm going to start this poll. Take a vote, guys. I mean, you guys know the deal. It's usually the 100 to 3 winners, but go ahead and vote. We can do a one $300 winner or 3 $100 winners. If you want to vote in the poll, just join the YouTube live stream. Just LuxAlgo on YouTube. But if you do want to do the giveaway, we have to hit 110 likes, guys. Come on. There's 124 in the chat right now. Hit the like button, please. You're at 80. Let's get to the 110, please. All right. The Euro USD. Now, we discussed this on the 4-hour. We had a trade, actually, on the 4-hour. That ended up cashing out beautifully. And what was that trade setup? Well, we had a nice bullish setup, you know, coming into here. We had a turning point happen there, but then we had another turning point happen right here. We took it on this entry right here and targeted this bottom of the order block. Hit beautifully. Support's been locked in pretty well. Nice consolidation in the green up here, but looks now actually pretty good on the 4-hour for potential continued breakout, maybe break through this order block. And what I would want to watch here on the Euro is this right here, this high, that high support there. If this thing does actually hold up above, let's just say this price point here, 108.323, very possible that this actually comes up, retests at least the bottom of the order block where it wicked. If not, goes right through that high part of the order block as well. But overall, I mean, you do have a pretty aggressive swing point up here, but I think if it does touch it again, you can potentially break it. But right now, overall price action is really nice. It came down, reset again, and now it's trying to break back out for the second time. That is for the 4-hour chart. If we go to the daily here on the Euro, let's go to the daily. Okay, it looks like you guys, there's 34 votes already, 74% is voting 3 winners, $100. Makes sense, way better odds anyway. But overall, here you go. If on the daily for the Euro, my upside target is still 109, like we talked about. But in this case, here you go. I mean, you could literally, I kind of would like to see a retracement off of this too, if that happens. So either want to see a push right through 109, or if it wants to retrace, come back down to 108, bounce perfectly, give us a rough, you know, similar, inverse head and shoulders. All that would mean is just come back down, set a higher low, bounce off of that previous high. Then that way the oscillator does something like that, right? Oscillator sets up because it's kind of doing this weird U, and essentially it is an inverse head and shoulders on the oscillator kind of formation. But weird little U shape, but if it does set proper structure like that, I think you're a lot better odds to breaking 109 with that type of proper structure setup. But again, that 4-hour looked really nice there. So, what about 126 $100 winners? Say what? I didn't say that. Clip it. Go back and clip it if I said that. I was saying there's 126 of you viewing right now. We need to hit 110 likes if you want to do a $300 giveaway on Friday. And we're at 83. Come on, guys. We're at 83. Let's get it. If our active members won't buy it, Jacob will be mad. Dame, it's $1, bro. I want you to spam the emote. Just get YouTube Premium, honestly. Just join with YouTube Premium because, like, trust me, the YouTube Premium is way better. I'm playing, guys. If you can't cough up $1, it's all good. All right, end poll. I want to see those emotes. Pretty cool. These emotes. I just want to be able to add more emotes, to be honest. He says he has Spotify. Bro, YouTube Premium. Okay. YouTube Music and YouTube Premium are different, my friend. YouTube Premium, you get 0 ads. I think LuxAlgo should pay the members to retain his viewers. Okay, Jockey. Well, what is the $300 Friday giveaway? What is that? You want me to just stop doing that? I love watching ads. W ads. Do you want ads? I'll give you ads. I can roll ads right now. Actually, I can't. Wait, no. I didn't. Oh yeah, I can literally roll ads right now. You ready? You ready? I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do it. No, I literally turned it off. Brad, there you go. Brad's part of the Hodl gang. Spent $1 to get an emote in his name green and priority analysis picks. Okay. Goodness gracious. All right, guys, let's jump to the wheel. You guys are funny. I will buy YouTube Premium for no ads. You're hilarious. All right, ads. Here we go. All right, let's spin the wheel. Let's get going. Let's get going. What we got? We got Link. Wow, starting it nice. Starting it off nicely. Link. Link in the house. We talked about Link holding 18. Well, guess what? We got the beautiful, beautiful holds. Get rid of those arrows. I need that Who's Your Daddy. I won't win anyway, Jockey said. Jockey, you want me to send you $1 so you can become a Hodl gang member? Jockey, throw your Cash App in there. I'll send you $1 to be a Hodl gang member. Goodness gracious. All right, let's roll. Let's roll. Okay. Here's your chotch that formed on Link. But guess what? We were a little bit clever in the idea that 18 buckaroonies holding up was very nice because we did have a breaker block there, right? Breaker block above a previous high as well. Has to be literally $1, right? That's what I'll say. Did you snort when you were laughing? Probably. I don't know. I've done it before. But geez, Brad. Way to call me out. Guys, hit the like button. Goodness gracious, right? 84. We just need 110 if you want me to give away. If you guys don't want free money, that's fine. If you don't want free money, don't hit the like button. But join the YouTube stream and hit the like button. You're drinking Coke of that. What? I missed your first comment. Brad hit the like. Yeah, I know Brad hit the like. All right. Link, though, bouncing off that previous high is exactly what we wanted to see. The only thing, like I said before, I didn't like either was the fact that we had this turning point down here, right? We had this turning point down here. Yeah, I don't normally drink Pepsi. We just had it, and I needed some caffeine, so I usually just drink water, and then if I have like a Alani or something, but that's all we had for some reason. All right, quit distracting me. Turning point formed below kind of this trend break, right? Which is interesting to keep an eye on. So we're going to keep an eye on this right now. But again, if Link holds 18, I think we're okay right now. Let's go to the weekly. Weekly chart, though, is probably the best looking chart that I like so far. Beautiful, beautiful structure. Break, right? Broke out. Higher high after this lower high there. Higher high comes back down, holds up, comes back down here, holds up yet again off the previous higher high. Right there formed. Guess what? We had a week after that was bullish. This week we are playing yet again. We're setting up. Now, this week, though, I would really like a retrace of all of last week's losses. So this week, if we can get up close somewhere around the open of last week, which was $20, that's what I would want to see on Link for a continuation into the following week. Now, going back to that daily chart, though, this is why I was a little skeptical, is because we broke down a bit from this higher low that formed before in the oscillator. But it is bouncing back a little bit. It is treating that previous high as support, which is really nice. If we pull a fib from the low of this higher low, you can see it's bouncing off the top of that golden pocket. If it does come back down to the 50% retracement, that's okay. That'd be a very healthy retracement, right? Back down to 16. But 18 is holding right now. We're okay. We're still long, holding aggressively on Link until we see some bearish structure form. If we get a lower high formation up here, we'll talk a little bit more about potentially shorting back down to like 17 or something. But again, overall long-term view on this is extremely bullish, especially on the especially above 18. So Link, I wouldn't be too stressed about. Looks really, really solid. No trade setups, though, I would say. No trade setups. So overall 4 hour, let's take a look. Potential trade setup on the 4 hour, right? You had a, wow. This is like same as Link, or same as Solana, right? Comes back down, bounce off the order block. Guys, okay. One more time. This is why I literally always say watch the order blocks. You can't go wrong with just keeping an eye on these things. Two reasons why here. One, had a beautiful bounce off this level, right? Beautiful bounce off 1765. Came right off of that, right? Comes up, touches this order block, rejects it, right? If I would have bought here, closed there, beautiful trade, right? Comes back out, though. Now it's trying to turn it into a breaker block. There's no reason to not consider these order blocks as potential plays the minute they confirm that they are a significant level. You had a nice 8% block there. Bounces right off. That's why we target them. Comes back, rejects off that upper order block. Now we finally broken it. This turns into a breaker block. That's what I want to see. Oscillator's already giving that turning point signal right now. But let's see this candle right now on the 4-hour close over. The high of last candle, 1890. It's sitting at 1891 right now. I would like to see it close over. If it does, then I could look for a play up into the $20 range for a nice upside trade. But again, I need to see closure over the top of this order block. We need to see this order block get broken. That's going to be a big sign of this moving. But overall, though, what I really like about it is that you do have a rough formation of an inverse head and shoulders yet again. So that kind of formation needs to actually continue to show that it actually wants to move. Overall, looks really, really solid. Would you sell it at $20? Not right now. So target, yeah. So if you're in a 4-hour trade, absolutely. Absolutely. 4-hour short-term swing, $20, you got it. But if we look at a weekly chart, we've discussed this. I'm targeting literally long-term $26. $26. That's the long-term target. Guys, hit the like button. We're at 91. Come on, we gotta get to 110. We can do this. We can do this. We got an hour left. But overall, yeah, that 26 upside target is money. I want to see how this week closes. A 2-candle retracement is beautiful for a potential trend continuation. Remember, the trend is your friend, and then you don't need to fight it. Don't fight it. Don't fight the trend. We're looking good. Bullish on Link. Bullish on Link. Let's jump into the next one. Jump into the next one. I'm so sorry, Instagram. Dude, somebody just like slap me. Like, I need one of our mods to keep it to tell me when I don't turn off the wheel on Instagram. That's so bad. Cotty. Goodness gracious. I'm sorry, guys. Once we go live on TikTok, I really got to remember that. We're on Cotty now. What is long-term for you? How long? A few years. But we're looking at that weekly chart. You can, end of this year, 26 would be a great price target. But like, if I'm talking like long-term, it's like, it's literally a few years. But $26, yeah, I think it could happen at the end of this year with everything happening. So we'll keep an eye on it. Keep it on the move as long as it's setting up. Long for me is like a month. I know our attention spans these days are terrible. Sorry, Instagram. I'm going to keep you guys up. You're long, short combined. Invest. 26, I will take some profit, though, on Link when it hits it. No matter what time frame it hits it. But I think 26 could easily hit. All right, guys. Cotty, weekly chart. Well, guess what? That's the first thing we start off. Cotty, last week, beautiful moves. Hit a high of 25 cents. Insane. This week, I want to see it close over that high of 25 cents. Right? Has a high right now of 27 cents. It's trading at 26. We're looking good right now. That being said, overall, lovely bullish setup, right? Spikes through right here, comes back down, sets a turning point on that candle with a BOS. That candle there would have been prime entry point at 8 cents. Now it's in the 26 cents. Absolute animal. Absolute animal. It being right where it's at, beautiful. I want to see it continue to close over previous week highs. Let's go to the daily chart. Same thing with the daily. If we want this strong movement to keep occurring today, we need to close over yesterday's high of 25 cents. Okay, let's close over that high from yesterday. Obviously, that was the weekly high too, because just it ended up being on the same day. But lovely support into this run. Gotta freaking love it. This is dude, this is insane. This is exactly why, like, you watch for previous high support and why these breaker blocks can really help. Look at this, how this dip down here into this imbalance that we have formed there. Dip down, found support, higher low, pop. All right, beautiful moves here on the daily for Cotty. Massive potential moves. Let's go to the weekly. Let me look at upside targets. First off, this is what I'm going to do. It's small, you know, it hasn't been open that long on Coinbase, but here you go. Does it have more info on like a Binance chart? It does. Okay, cool. That's fine. All right, we're going to bring up Binance. Sorry. There we go. Okay, so majority of that volume sitting down here, right? I'm going to bring this. Let me bring this over here. Obviously, it's trading so much down here. Where it's been here before. Okay, I'm going to do it to there. All right, now let's look at it. All right, beautiful little breakout like we had there. You have your next peak, and this is perfect for a weekly target. Open, close, high, right? That's what we talk about. Open, close, high sitting right there, 28 cents, 28,715,831. That's on Binance, of course, but that's what I would target right now. It'd be a little over 28 cents. If you go to Coinbase, I could probably see it. Let me double check. Oh, wrong one. Cotty Usta. Let's see if we can get that same. Here you go. No, that's not it. Right here. Boom. There we go. Here it is. Make it easy. 28.69. There you go. 28.69 would be that upside target right now. Open, close, high, right? This looks way better anyway. But after that, after you look for that, breaking that high touch there, 30 cents, not a bad level. That could be honestly psychological because 10-cent moves are huge on a asset like this. This high is sitting at what, 34 cents. So right now, definitely targeting 28.7, and then after that, I would target 30. Then we'll talk once it fully hits that. But it looks actually pretty solid. Your chart looks like a rocket launch dashboard. Goodness gracious, insane. Guys, we're at 93 likes. Come on, we gotta get to 110. We're almost there. Cotty off the board. Good-ish, guys. You're holding Cotty. Just look for those daily open closes, okay? Pyth in the house. I'm not gonna say it. It just gets really crazy there, Brad. To be honest, I've done it several times before. Pyth on the Pyth network. All right. Pyth here, lovely little retracement, right? Guess where it bounced? Well, it bounced off previous highs. I think we did discuss this last week. Open, literally kind of where price kind of opened here. We just take that candle off. Boom. Pyth bouncing right off where it kind of opened and set a high almost immediately. Everyone wants to duel me. This week, next poll. Really quickly. Poll. Should... Hold on. Here you go. Should we enable channel point gambling? I told you guys are going to vote on this, and then we'll have it. If you want it, we can put it on it. If you don't, you don't have to. Last week, we did have somebody that ranked up pretty quickly, and some of you failed to Sortic actually on a channel point gambling lost all his points, but then came back and ended up being like number 3 viewer of the week. So you can get points and indicate where you're at as a viewer. I will say you can be a lucky viewer if you do channel point gambling, but it's just it's up to you guys. I'm gonna let you guys decide. I know some of you had fun with it, some of you didn't. So you decide. It's 50-50 right now, but if that's the case, yes, we're gonna do people get point now for viewing hours? I was gonna put a vote on that, but I'm assuming everybody wants to do that. So yes, end of the week, viewing hours, you get points. Okay, I double checked on it, and it's I guess it only would grant a small amount, so I'm upping it every 1 hour. I'm gonna think about how many points. I think 25 points an hour, maybe. If not, probably 50. I say 50 or 25 points an hour. Okay, so that's for your hours. What do you guys think? 25 or 50? Everyone who said yes, you are. We'll see. It's 50-50 still. Crazy. All right, Pyth though. Pyth bouncing off that previous high right now actually looks really clean. It's looking good. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour had that change character breakout. Look what also happened. It pretty much bounced off of that structure like I was talking about. Guess what happened on price, right? We had lower high, lower high, lower high. We break. We come back down. We find support kind of near that previous high, but it was on the candle we have right now. So we'll see how Pyth does here. I'm going to pull up Pyth on an exchange instead of just its own network. Like Kraken here. We can look it's low volume. Let's do it on Binance. Here you go. So like on Binance here, There we go. Still low volume on this, but overall structure is there. Higher, low, higher, low, higher, low. Right now, watch to see if this thing can close above. Dude, why are these freaking numbers? Does Kraken give me a, there you go, low decimal. See if you can close above this previous swing low, the swing high, sorry. 58,124. That's what I would want to see. Dude, why is it stuck at 50-50? I can't tell. But there you go. Bouncing off that. It does look actually pretty solid on a daily chart, I will say. Python, not too bad. We're going to keep an eye on it really closely. Let's see here. But yeah, if it holds up over and prints this change of character, it looks actually quite solid for a continuation. Upside order block, I would target 61, right? In this case, it's on its own network, so the data there is not, it's not there because this isn't volume based on its own network. But it just follows the value. But it's just better movement on this one. But in that case, sorry. Breaking over that high would be nice, but this high here was sitting at 58.3. 58.3 would be really nice, clean break. But overall, price looks very good for an extension into that upper order block. Pyth on, look at Bybit actually. Here you go. Bybit has the volume. Beautiful. Okay. So yeah, that high break of 57.73 is where we're at right now. But honestly, if we can get over 58.3, yeah, same similar price point. We're looking great. 54K? Yo. I forgot I did hit. Bro, what happened? Dude. Holy crap. Let's go. Bro, we're cashing big. We're cashing big. Let's go. This is insane. Good-ish. Exactly why we like that setup. Exactly why we like that setup. Dude, let's flip and go, guys. Why am I saying flipping? Yo, how is this still 50-50, by the way? How is that like on the money 50-50? Dude, let's go. This is awesome.
Who's your daddy?
Gotta put it in there. Are we cashing in, baby? Come on. Dame, you better spend that dollar. You spam Who's Your Daddy right now, my friend. You spam it. Sortic, you as well. Why 53% say yes? You guys are funny. I'm going to let you guys continue to vote on this. I'll give you a little bit more time. Come on, Bitcoin, continue. I'm telling you, man, they like it. People like it. 43. We'll vote on it every week. I'll enable it and disable it. Let me gamble. Look at Doran. Doran's the one that got freaking a million points last week. Doran's the one that cranked up those points. Dude, Bitcoin absolutely ripping right now. I hope you lose your ass. Okay, thank you, buddy. Sorry, I'm looking at Instagram chat. Whoever was long on gold is shitting the bed right now. I'll tell you that, dude. This thing's ripping. 54K. Remember, 55K is that first target. It looks like, man, gamble a bunch of points. He said. Hey, any the people that are members that joined today, the 9 of you that are members that joined today. Tom, Stewart, Moths Are Boneless, Marlan, Jeroen, Lub, Sirkin, Cryptic, and Brad. Do you want to be able to gamble your points? Yours will outweigh. Yours will outweigh everybody else's. Let me know. If you're a member. Dame said, goodness gracious. No one said your IFEG with SMA strat's been doing great. Made some quick money with it. Thanks. Yeah, man. Awesome. I'm glad that that's why when we do those shorts, we have a guy that creates the scripts with those shorts. Man's an animal. He comes up with really awesome strategies. Yes to gamble. Brad's way. Dave's losing it. Guys, we're at 96 likes. Come on. We're literally 14 likes away from doing a $300 giveaway on Friday. If you want me to give away $300 for absolutely free, you will join the YouTube live stream, Lux Algo on YouTube, and you'll smash that like button, okay? Seriously, it's free money. Just smash the like button. We have to hit our daily like goal, though. Pyth, though, like we said, guys. Dude, this is insane. All right, hold on. I need to set an alert for 54. So whoever said more, by the way, looks like you're cashing in today. So I hope you didn't say less. Because once you haven't listened to anything that we've said on stream if you said less. Just kidding. But yet again, don't fight the trend. The trend's your friend, guys. Come on. 5,500 and then 55K. Definitely putting a alert there as well. My mom's gonna be angry. It's channel points, man. They're absolutely free. All you have to do is tune in. Everybody, man, 55 votes, 53% say yes. That's insane. I got alerts set up here on Bitcoin for the breakout. Let's see if we can get those. Why do I click out? I always, like, my thought process goes right to Apple. Let's go to Python really quickly. Dude, that's insane. Bitcoin. Okay. Yeah, so right now, upside target for me would be first off 61.30, and then other upside target 65.67 if that 4 hour gets that confirmed break here. Looks like it will. So keep an eye on that. Besides that 61 there, 62, wherever that order block's sitting. After that, you have an open close high at 67, okay? Those are the targets on Python. Let's move on to the next one. 101 likes, guys. We're 9 likes away from giving away $300. Just hit the like button. It's not that hard. Okay, here we go. On the YouTube, by the way. Yo. No. Supposed to do the chat. It just wants to cheer. That was Pepe. That was not me. I just blew y'all's ears out. All right, here we go. Do it again. There we go, SEI. Yeah, why'd you say, oh, Pepe. SEI is similar to Pyth. Charles Wong, we say. I guess no one said less to that. Yeah, you better not. If you said less to that, I'm going to be pissed. All right, who said less? Hold on. We're going to call him out really quick. Who said less? Willie. Fame. Yo, come on, guys. Edward. God, Edward. Dame, you said more. Good job. Dame on the right side of the ball today. Jason. Jason, come on, buddy. Just kidding. That makes sense, but again, Edward Webb Jr. Yo, come on, guys. Can say yes or no to gambling. I think it's okay, but in a limited way so that chat does not get spammed. Okay, how about this? Oh, because so it doesn't get spammed? I can on the point gambling. Let me see. I think I can adjust the payouts. 2x and 3x, I can adjust to 1x. You get 1 to 1. You bet 10, you get 10. Actually, why isn't that? Yeah, I'm going to put 1 on this. What am I doing? So I'm going to put 1 on 51 to 75. You had to get 2x, 76 to 98. You have to roll. To get 3, you have to be 99 to 100. I'll adjust some of that, make it easy. And maybe there might be a way I can adjust some other things, but if it ends up being yes, it looks like it's going to be. Goodness gracious. Man said, Campbell's addictive, like my painkillers. Remember, guys, now, okay, it looks like after 60 votes, yes is the answer. We will enable it next stream. I'm going to end that now. Next poll, you guys are voting. How many points per hour watched on stream? 50 or 25? All right, 50 or 25 points per hour watched will you get added to your profile. I don't think we should go more than that. People are going to say 50. It probably shouldn't even matter. The more you watch, the more points you get. Probably pretty easy. Okay, it's 50. Okay. All right, every hour you watch, by the end of the week, you get 50. Some people last week watched, I think, like 8 hours. Like, yeah. And they ended up. So you could literally, honestly, you could just leave the stream open and you could walk away if you wanted. But again, you get 50 points added to your name, and I will add them at the end of the week, okay? At the end of the week, that way your ranking changes, okay? End of the week, though. Unless you want. You don't need to vote. It's pretty simple. Easy reward. All right, let's get to the charts. Come on. Quit distracting me. Guys, we're at 102 likes. We literally need 8 more likes and we're there. All right, SEI 4-hour break, trying to break out. It almost did. It is shifting yet again. This candle right here confirm that shift, and there you go. Yet another strategy setup that we talk about all the time. Guess what? Right there. Structure breaks, right? Let's talk about this right here. Boom. Structure breaks here after setting lower high, lower high, lower high. Trends there. Trend breaks right there. Guess what? Retraced. Oscillator called it early. Boom. This candle could have taken your entry on right now, targeting, you could even say target that upper order like 85. 83 to 85. Really short trade, but overall right now on SEI, looking for this major breakout in this current state that it's in. After this, though, I would be targeting this open close lower high at 93. That'd be my first target. Above that would be 97, and then, you know, bottom of the order block, $1 on SEI. Overall, absolutely cranking in this current move right now. Gotta love it. That turning point, beautiful, and it's moving. A lot of crazy setups have occurred, right? So we'll see how it goes. You were in for 83, Jacob, as we talked? No, I didn't. I missed it. So I did miss it. If I would have saw it, I would have been in it. But overall, if you did enter that, great job, dude. You're up big time right now. Looking really good. See if that continuation happens. But overall, I do want to see that Chach form, the high here. I want to see that 4-hour close over 87.46. Try to see that high close over 87.46. Be a really good hold. Oscillator is literally primed for this thing to actually kind of crank. So we'll see. Let's go to the daily on SEI. I mean, simple as this, right? Simple as this. What do you see? You see grade A. Actually, daily looks good for a long swing. Grade A bounce off previous highs, right? Look what's happening, though. Look what's happening, though. Dude, I actually might take a trade on this. You might see me in the trade tomorrow if this gets confirmed today. If we get a green turning point today, right? If we get a green turning point today or tomorrow, you'll probably see me in this. I will be targeting 96 first and then $1. And then a full-on breakout on SEI. That's if we get a green turning point on that daily. Notice there is no turning point that is formed, but it would line up right off of that previous trend break, structure break, comes down, confirms. More than likely, it's going to be tomorrow, to be honest. Unless today cranks even more, unless today closes over 87.46, it looks like it could really go. But I wait until that gets confirmed. I'm not trading it unless there's a confirmed turning point, okay? So tomorrow, what you might see is opening. You might see a dot there, but if it closes down, it won't end up printing at the end of the day. So I might have to wait all the way into tomorrow's close for that dot to form. So we'll end up seeing. It depends on how price action does today. Really clean moves, very bullish. I would like to see this thing hit 96 and then up to $1, and we'll go from there, okay? Beautiful. I'm pulling in a $5.5 million short for Bitcoin before the stream ends. Price target 53,250. Okay. Screenshots or didn't happen. Screenshots or didn't happen. Just kidding. If you are, man, great job. You probably know more than me. Anybody watching Bitcoin? We were just looking at it. Look at it again. Yeah, this thing's just ripping. I have alerts on it. We're looking for 54,500. We'll see. All right. Beautiful moves. 52 million liquidation at 54,690. All right. Maybe he'll be in that liquidation. No one. Edward might be in that liquidation. Insane. All right, yeah, we'll see where it ends up here. End of stream. If you said more or less. Guys, we're 3 likes away from that 110 like goal. SEI, let's go to the next one. What is next on our list? Dude, come on. Pepe, get your ish together, man. All right. CAD JPY. Get off of crypto for a second. That's fine. CAD JPY. This was for, I think, Sortic. I think Sortic said this one. CAD with a JPY is an insane day. I mean more coins, please. Guys, remember, you can join the Hodl gang absolutely free if you have YouTube Premium. Just hit that join button next to the Lux Algo name on the YouTube live stream. If not, it's exactly $1. You get priority analysis And you also get some cool emotes and badges the longer you're here. It's absolutely insane. It's literally $1. I wish I could make it free, but I pretty much just want you guys a part of the Hodl gang because it's just kind of cool. Give me your Cash App. I'll send you $1 so you can be part of the Hodl game. In a sense. In a sense. All right, let's go. At some point, it'll be nothing. All right, here we go. What do we see? CAD trying to reject here off of this imbalance, lining up with a breaker block. No, that says CGPT. What? What are you talking about? This is right. Oh, talking about the what I wrote. There we go. Look at him. If you have email, also if you do have emote suggestions, just let me know. I can make them. All right, CAD here, higher low forming right on the oscillator, but look, quite interesting actually because we had lower lows in line there. You had lower highs in line here. It did break, came back down. Weird kind of turning point here. Structure break. I would say conflicting structures right now. It is also rejecting off an imbalance and a breaker block. We're going to see how this plays off. I'm getting rid of that breaker so we can see this a little clearer. There. Boom. Breaking off the breaker, which also lines up with a previous high. That being said, it rejecting, it's going to be interesting to watch this time frame. Let's go to the daily. Daily is bouncing quite nicely. It did have a bearish divergence kind of formation there. Look at Barna joining the Hodl gang. Welcome, my friend. Again, you have YouTube Premium, you get access for free. $1 though. All right, bouncing and breaking after. There we go. Fan with the Hodl gang joining. Let's go, baby. Members make icon memes. Let's go. Yeah, seriously though. We can do any type of emote too. You just let me know. I'm praying after this though I can add more emotes. There's a lot more I want to add. They just said you had to have a few members to add more, so I will add more. But look at this. Retrace bounce off that previous high. Looks super solid today. Let's see if today. Just hit the join button next to the Lux Algo like name there. Today, let's see this close up here at 111.65. I would really on CAD, we can look at it. I would really want to see this thing close here at 111.65 roughly today. But I closing green, super solid. If it bounces, if it continues to hold above this previous high on the daily, looks good. 4 hours, a little weird. I'm going to be waiting. I'm going to be waiting this 4 hour to see. STX, did it go up since we looked at it? Oh, wait, no. We haven't looked at it yet. It's on the board. We'll get to it. We'll get to it. Hasn't looked at it yet. We will get to it. All right. But yeah, this is a weird spot right now. I would want it to see kind of get up over that high of a 111.61. But we can look at the screener. Yeah, let's look at the screener. Let me add it to the bottom down here. CAD. Yeah. CAD on there. It's the second one down. Very soon, by the way, guys, the most sought after feature change on this on the screeners, by the way, is the fact to be able to enable which one you want to be related to the chart on the ticker symbol. So very soon you'll be able to, I think it's going to be a checkbox. We'll go over it once it's coming out, but very soon it will, whichever one here can match your chart. Okay. Whichever ticker symbol you have up there. So stay tuned for that if you are part of that. CAD, bearish on the oscillator, but I like to relate it to what we're seeing on the other ones. Bullish on signals and overlays for the 4 hour. Bullish on the structure right now, overall structure. It's at the equilibrium, which is good, meaning that structure retracement could be proper. Let's look at the daily on CAD. Daily's should be bullish all around. Yeah, bullish on the oscillator. Love seeing that. Strong bullish on price action. Or strong bullish on signals and overlays, strong bullish on price action. I totally agree with that. I think the daily is the one that's really screaming my name that this thing could continue higher. Weekly chart. Weekly chart here. We can talk about next levels here. Let's go to the monthly so I can see this a little better on this smaller candle setup. Here you go. So if it does break out here, you can see, I would target, maybe 115s. You do have an upside order block, but this is a monthly chart, so it would probably take a while to get there at 120. Let's go to the weekly. You have the price line there. We're inside a weekly imbalance here. So, yeah, honestly, right there, 115, I still like for that move. So, nice imbalance to fill here so to get up to the 115 quite easily. So, we'll really keep an eye on that. It's not fully extended either. So CAD, let's see if it can close up here with this BOS this week. Honestly, let's fully see if it wants to close up above 111.80. All right. So if we can get that.
Who's your daddy?
Doran wanted some Who's Your Daddy. Love it. All right. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Okay, guys. Let's jump to the next one. CAD. Definitely still bullish on that daily. Guys, we're 2 likes away from being able to give away $100 at the end, or $300 at the end of the week. So smash the like button. Let's spin it. Let's get to the next one. Come on. Come on. Come on, wheel. Come on, wheel. Adam. Beautiful. It's finally hit. Finally hit there. Adam. Let's go. Someone else hit like that. There we go. Bam. Smash the 110 likes, guys. Congratulations. We move on to tomorrow. Remember, Monday through Thursday, we have to hit 110 likes per stream. And guess what? We will give away $300 on Friday. It's that easy. Just join the stream. Smash the like button. We're at 110 likes. Good work, my friends. Thanks for sharing and being a part of today's stream. We'll be back tomorrow to hit the 110 likes yet again. Let's jump into now Adam USD. All right. Let's go to the daily. Sortic. What's up, man? How you doing? Fixed range profile on CAD. Which what time frame do you want it on? I mean, the problem is it's kind of above any highs, right? The weekly. I mean, it's above the majority range. I wouldn't really take it from here. It's just it's so far away. I mean, you could, I guess. It's just way, yeah. There's no reason. It has never really been up here. I wouldn't really. There's no reason to look at it. Monthly is gonna look the same. It's very heavy on the bottom. All right. Sorry. Let's go to Adam. It's not really much to look at. It's when you, here you go. This is what you look at a fixed range profile. Adam, that would be the first thing I do. Because we have a very clean range. It's not the high or the low. It's right in the middle. So here's your POC. Here's your point of control. Now, that being said, let's get up over it, right? Open, close, high formed there on the weekly chart. This week, I would want to close up over last week's high of $11.10. Bitcoin crossing. Hold on. We got to go check this out. Yo, Bitcoin is ripping right now. This is awesome. I'm glad this is happening live. Sorry. I need to look at this. Yo. Liquidation coming in hot. Keep liquidating. Keep liquidating. People shorting a beautiful trend. You're crazy. Keep liquidating. All right. Money moves. Money moves. Dude, this is insane. All right, let's go back to Adam. Overall, let's see if that next one hits, though. Massive moves. Okay, cool. Actually, hold on. For Bitcoin, by the way, I know you guys haven't. Bitcoin. Sorry. Remember, we discussed this a bit about why we took our entry here is because of that trend break and it bounced off that previous lower high, right? That being said, you know, if we go to a daily now, actually, let's go to a weekly. It's easier to see. To be honest, a weekly, if I'm looking for a TP point, right? That'd be pretty much what you're looking for. Where would my TP point be? Well, I'm going to pull up this fixed range profile, talk about this a bit. We're almost getting there. So in this current state, I'm going to say right here at 56,202. 55, actually, you know what? I'll probably take some at 55 because 55 is going to be a bit psychological. So 55, right, is we're almost there. That'd be a 4% move. Pretty good move starting off. So trade limit, I mean, I usually take off half, so I'd get rid of 5 at 55K, then rally the rest. Okay, so there you go. So if 55K hits, we'll see. think I have it alerted too. So after that, right up to 57 and 58. Have an alert. Should have an alert there. Let's just do that. There you go. So half off there, 100%. 55 is a pretty solid mark. All right, let's jump back over to Adam. Yeah, Adam. Atom. $8.28 million liquidation at 54,540. Hey, send me that. No one send that whatever you're looking at in the chat. We could pull it up on here. You probably have a graph or something indicating that, or just a screenshot. All right, Adam, not bad on the daily, right? Adam, not bad on the daily. Bouncing right. That's right, yeah. Bouncing right off that previous high, right? Like always, like we've been talking about for days. I would really wanted to see it clear over this high of 11.10, right? If we can get over 11.10, upside target, of course, bottom of the order block, roughly $11.90. But 12 bucks, not a bad spot to target as well. Higher low formed beautifully. I can turn on Luxile liquidation levels. You're not wrong about that. But I'm not going to spend the time to get it on there and get the settings right. I'd rather him send it to me. I can just pull it up in like 2 seconds. But yeah, there is an indicator that we have the liquidation levels. All right. But yeah, there's that turning point above that previous high on that candle there, right? Continue right off of it, right? Nice moves. Breaks out. Right now, upside target, like I said, 12 bucks. Adam, I mean, I would want to see the daily close over the high of 11.10, right? 100%. Who's your daddy there? Marland, literally, he's probably my new favorite. Honestly, Dame, you're my favorite forever. And now Marland's spamming the emotes and everything. I love him. I'm just kidding. I love all you guys. But seriously, though. Guys, using the stuff I spent time doing. I spent time making the Pepe emote. I spent time making Who's Your Daddy emote. And he's using them, so love him for that. Breaking out of that high, though, would be awesome. Let's go to the 4 hour. Current situation, as you can see, top order block looks nice, right? Now we have a high to take into account. We have a nice imbalance as well. So price comes back down. Watch for holds over that BOS at 10.57. Trend continuation is locked in at that point. Previous high as well. That weekly chart, though, remember, the weekly was probably the biggest thing to look at because of the fixed range profile. Fixed range profile sitting up here. Yo, why did that change? Why did it? Oh, it was just a minor, very minor change. Literally just one single candle change for the POC. It's interesting. That one candle flopped POC. It doesn't matter. The value range is the same. But that's a good just indication of a high peak there. So high peak volume obviously sitting right at 1123. So we really need to break over that this week. I would want to see it break through the bottom of that order block again. Go get into the 12s. I really want to see the moves into the 12s. It looks solid. But we really on that weekly need to close over this high of 111.10 or 11.10, sorry. 11.10 would honestly, I would really like it to close over. Then I think we get a nice move. Does help to have a dollar credit card, Dame. Yeah, put it on like a credit card you don't use. Get that $1 a month that gets taken out of it. No one's throwing in alerts there. I like it. 54,912. I'll keep an eye on it. All right, Adam, though, get closure over 11.10. Let's get back to the Pepe wheel. Pepe's in the chat. Mara knows what's up. Pepe's in the chat. Somebody give me... I'm not spinning it till somebody puts the Pepe emote in the chat. You can only do that if you join and you're a Hodl gang member. Just kidding. I'll wait till you guys have more people join for once. Well, look what happened when you didn't. There you go. There we go. There we go. See, look what happened. Pepe didn't hit because you didn't put it in there, and now you do, and it should hit now. Let's try this again. There's Brad. There's Brad. Well, it did. Look at that. See, look, Pepe wanted Tesla the whole time. Thank you. See, it was just waiting. It was just waiting for you. Tesla USD. What am I doing? Pepe is the bomb, honestly. Honestly, the bomb. Are we sitting now? Oh yeah, we're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it, guys. Yo, I'm liking these emotes. Dude, Bitcoin is absolutely ripping. Bitcoin is absolutely ripping right now. I kind of don't even want to look at these other ones. I can't believe it's doing it on stream too. That's sick. Absolutely killing it, bro. Get out of here. I gotta look at my holdings. Hold on. This is fun. It's fun to look at your holdings. Yo, 8% today. That's awesome. Holdings are cranking today. It's unreal. Gotta love it. All right. Three points, fam. Took for Eva. Insane. Okay, Tesla daily. Let's look at the Tesla daily. Now, we talked about Tesla for a while now. We really think 160 is going to end up hitting. That's that downside order block, right? I'm going to crank this up to 500 so you can see it. But order block down there, 160. Now, that being said, you know, there's still a slight gap to fill. Market's up today. Tesla's up today, right? Tesla's up, what? 4%. Okay. Tesla being up 4%. Lambo 2025 Jacob. I despise Lambos. I'm not a Lamborghini guy. I'm not a Lamborghini guy. I mean, they're cool, and it's okay. You can like them. I'm not gonna dislike you if you have a Lamborghini, because you know that's your own opinion. You can buy whatever you want. I just despise the Lambo themselves, not anybody who owns one. Not a fan. Duel myself win 2 points. Okay, cool. You guys are crazy. All right, Tesla though. Oh man, SEI break. Why do we have that alert up? I was really hoping that was Bitcoin. Tesla though, all these freaking order blocks. Okay, we have that 160 order block down there. Tesla bad earnings, right? If we look at the financials, you go down here. Look at this. Annually, terrible. Flat, right? It literally made the exact same amount. Net margin there, absolutely flat year over year. Terrible. Don't like it. Value right now isn't terrible. Under 200 is probably not a terrible price to buy some. I can say I did buy some in the 180s. But again, I do think 160 can hit. I didn't buy a ton down here. I just usually, if Tesla gives that big of a dip, I take a minute to buy some. But I mean, it wants to try to fill this gap. It's trying, but it's going to have to break over 203 to, actually show some strength. Still a little bit stuck in this small range here. So still targeting 160 if the market does try to come down a bit. But the market's so bullish right now, it's hard to say that Tesla is going to come down anytime soon. But I do think when the market actually takes its retracement, like a short retracement, maybe, 2-3% retracement, then Tesla is probably going to come off pretty aggressively. Yo, I'm loving the emotes, Mar in the chat, making the chat real colorful. Love it. Who's your daddy?
Who's your daddy?
I mean, honestly, Tesla, we've been discussing Tesla for a while. This thing, we're all over it. We're all over it, baby. So we are Tesla's daddy, that's for sure. Okay, Pepe's in the chat yet again. Here goes Pepe. Give him some motivation, please. Give him some motivation. There's no motivation. All right, Pepe, come on, baby. All right, one more time for you. Dude, you're literally one off. Like, come on. Give me something. I know there's 3, dude. I know there's 3. Okay, STX. STX wins. Pepe just missed it late there. There you go. Pepe missed it late. STX, you guys been begging for it. Here you go. Wow. Beautiful. Insane. Today up 10%. Yo, this is nuts. Great work. Great work, Stacks. Great work, Stacks. You guys, man. You guys, if you're stacking on Stacks, you're doing great. Massive moves on Stacks. Bounce off what? An imbalance. Beautiful. Guess what else happened? It has a turning point now above that previous high there. At this high, though, I would be skeptical on actually buying this high. I would want to see a bigger retracement. And that inevitably happens at some point. But massive moves. I would have probably wanted it inside that imbalance. Big moves here. You want to see a full-on breakout for STX. Let's look at the 4 hour here. It's already retesting that, but look at the 4 hour. Breaks down, comes up, breaks structure, higher low formation here with that change character. Absolutely rips to retest these highs. If this happens, guess what? All that needs to happen right now is for these highs to get broken, and then price needs to then again hold above these highs. Oh, price needs to hold above these highs. Just come out here, hold above these highs, okay? Give me something like that, and then we'll get our continuation. If not, it'll continue ripping. You know, it's hard to say where it's going to head next. Let me go ahead and Binance. There you go. Beautiful. There we go. We got some price to look at. So real fast, let's take a look. You know, volume profile. It's probably not going to be much, to be honest. It's going to be all heavy on the bottom. Yep. So nothing really to look at there. Wouldn't really worry about that. Now, we can take into consideration a volume profile as well with these higher levels. So when it's broken into these higher levels here, like right here to here, and see kind of where it's sitting. So already blew through that. Not see up there. It's just, it's, you know, zero liquidity up there. So this thing has a chance to just crank. You have an all-time high of $3.37 here on Binance. That being said, I feel like if it goes up and retests that high, I mean, it tests it one day, so you're probably going to crank. I would say look for that $3 break before you see some retracement. This week's been absolutely bonkers on Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks like it's trying to settle, but massive start of the week for Bitcoin. But $3 is what I would target right now on STX. After that, the high of that last week's candle is $2.93. Over $3, though, it's hard to say where it might head next. I would just target the all-time high of $3.37 and go from there, okay? So $3 is that upside target right now, as long as it's continuing like this STX. Massive moves, man. Massive. You bought STI yesterday. Money in the bank, Dame. Money in the bank, Dame. Pepe in the house. Pepe going with. Is that a PHB down there? I don't even know what that is. XLM. XLM up. XLM up. All right, XLM. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Another one of our Hodl gang members recommended this. He had priority pick because he was a Hodl gang member. Remember, Hodl gang members on YouTube, you literally spend $1, or if you are a YouTube premium member like me, then you get a free month apparently. So pretty sick. It might be every month. Who knows? I don't know. I don't know how that works. But that being said, let's start with a fixed range profile here on XLM and get to it. Entering this range here. Now, still below that range. What if we all are Hodl gang? Well, then it goes to Pepe's siblings still have priority over everybody. Cryptic and Sirkin are the only Pepe siblings. You have to be a sibling of Pepe to have priority after that. But for now, any member right now is going to have priority. But there's a second level as Pepe's sibling, and you'll definitely get priority over that. So Cryptic and Sirkin are technically related to Pepe right now. So they're definitely I think Sirkin was the first relative. So when we have hundreds of members at some point, Sirkin will be known as number one. I'm trying to figure out a way I can actually make any Pepe members things different. If you're a, let's see. Oh, I'll look later. All right, XLM. We're above POC, right? We're above POC. 11.4. So that being said, you know, upside target on the weekly would be 13, top of the range, right? It bounced off high or low there. The only thing I don't like is higher highs, you know, lower highs. The oscillator is just all over the place. That's what I don't like on XLM, but let's go to the daily. Daily now, I'm going to pull the profile again from here to here. And there you go. Bouncing off the bottom of the range, right? Coming back up. Showing its clean support. Showing its clean support, right? What I want to see now is probably a break. You know, that change character did happen there. You had a turning point today, or yesterday, actually. This technically kind of looks good for a breakout. Nice little rough around the edges, inverse head and shoulders, but it's there. It's kind of played itself. Looking for now a retest of 12. Above that, I would target 12.6. Okay, major move so far though, looking really good. I am so late out with this. Yeah, sorry man. Appreciate you being here though. Bitcoin trending up, and I'm thinking to go short, but I'm hesitating. Come on, dude. Don't short Bitcoin. Not worth it. It's not worth it right now. It's not worth it unless you know what you're doing. That's for sure. I promise you, though. Don't fight the trend. The trend is your friend. That's going to be an emote coming up. The trend is your friend. But overall, man, XLM targeting bottom of that $12 there, and then 12.6. Looks okay. If support's going to hold over 11.111, you're looking good. Nice turning point on the outside. Everything's bullish on this daily here for XLM. We could, dial it in really quick. Let me do here. XLM. Okay. Stellar though, right here. XLM neutral on the signals and overlays. Bullish signal. It's back and forth bearish, tracer, and smart trail. XLM bullish, change character. Bullish overall rating. Under equilibrium. That's a good sign that it's in a discount zone. That's good. So we'll see. Oscillator though, XLM strong bullish, so it's definitely intermediate time frame for XLM here, but overall definitely better odds to the upside than the downside. I would want to see some volume though step in on this before it actually continues, so not too bad. Let's jump to the last one, PHB. Interesting one. I don't think we've ever looked at PHB. Let's go to Bybit. Let's go to Binance. Okay, PHB last but not least. Bonk. Bitcoin bro until 2025. Absolutely. History says when every asset rises, it has a possibility of breaking previous high. I'm looking at Bitcoin around 80K. Mate, keep it up. Good. You're doing your audience. God bless. Hey, God bless you too, Parvin. Yeah, 80K, honestly, with the current trend we're in and the halving, the history of the halving and everything, looks really solid for at least not this. So a year after halving. So a year after halving, I could definitely see 80K. Pretty simple. Pretty easy. In respect of altcoin, gotta make an indicator called discount meme flows. Hey, we can make whatever you want, man. Hey, I mean, well, fear is definitely a major market mover. I will say that. Fear is insane. Major market mover when it comes to fear. Bitcoin is settling though. Honestly, I agree, Cryptic. 80K is conservative. I think 100K a year out from the halving. So not this summer, but summer of 2025, I honestly think it could be well above 100K. So if not at the end of this year. PHB, yet another suggestion from one of our new Hodl Gang members. It's $1. You just click the join button next to the Luxalgo name on the YouTube channel. And once again, we bounce off previous highs like we always talk about, 106 or 160, 160, 161 nearly. Bounce right off that previous high, shows nice support, and continues its trend, breaking new highs. Let's go to the weekly. Weekly chart's quite interesting here on PHB. It is well over these highs to continue this BOS structure. I would want to see this week, honestly, close over last week's close first off. 192, it needs to close over this week. If not, that high there of $2.24 would be the best close. $2.25 actually would be the best close this week if it can get up and hold above that high. If not, so long as it's holding above this last high it set of 167, then I think you're very solid. So this week, really focus on 181 being above that. And I mean, that's pretty much probably your best bet. 181 is overall focus this week. There's other levels we could consider, but if that structure holds, here's that BOS. I have it on my chart. If that structure holds, you're looking very solid. Yet again, though, if you would have played this, beautiful setup. We talk about lower highs, breaks out, breaks, retest, turning point. Guess where that turning point occurred? Right here on the weekly. That occurred at 99 cents. You're at 188. You're you're at $1.88. You've literally hit a full dollar move from that setup that we always look for. So beautiful setup there on the oscillator. Massive moves. Let's jump back over to Bitcoin before we close out the stream. We're at nearly 2 hours. Okay. We're almost at sell limit too. Let's see if we hit it. Now, that being said, by the way, guys, I will take Bitcoin prediction at the 2 hour mark, okay? I will take, it's going to be up. It's going to be more. I don't even know why I'm saying that. Why would I say that? Right? The Bitcoin prediction was what? What was it? 53,568. It's at 54 now. Yeah, it's already 1,000 over. So, okay, fine. I'll give it literally 3 minutes. It's got 3 minutes. 3 minutes, I take more or less on it. So if for some reason you come in with the dumpies, do it now. It's just going to be more. If you said less, guys, you're nuts. Up, he said. Goodness gracious. We'll see where it's at here in just a sec. But Bitcoin, massive, massive moves. Gotta love it. Got to love it. Insane. Great work. Great work, guys. If you said more, you are just insane. I mean, if you said less, honestly, here, let's chill on the people that said less. And they can come back tomorrow and remember my number one saying. Don't fight the trend, because the trend's your friend. Willie Predatorius with a less. Come on. Fame? F-A-M-E with a less. Not fam. Fame with a less. Come on, guys. Edward TV. He's a stocks man. I'll give him the benefit of the doubt. With the less. Come on. Jason with the less. Come on. Vishnu with the less. Come on. Edward Webb Jr. with the less. Come on. What are you guys doing? Let's see anybody else. Who else was silly enough? Aza with the less. Come on. What are you guys predicting Bitcoin less than on a day like today? B. Baron with the less. Come on. Let's see. Who else? Yo, Cryptic. Come on, Cryptic. Cryptic with the less. Come on. Casey as well. Casey. With the come on. A lot of less. A lot of less. Doran, our number one viewer last week with the less. I'm pretty sure. Let me double check that this is the same Doran. Hold on. Yep. Doran. Come on. Come on. Doran with the less. What are you doing, man? I'm just messing my way, guys. Dorene with the less. Come on. What else we got? AB's, I gotta go through. I'm trying to look at all. Baron. We said Baron. Eva with, dude, you guys, man, you're all over the place. So many less. They should give them minus 100. Me insane. Let's see who else. Georgie with the less. Glenn with the less. Come on. Man, there's a lot of less today. I want to know less to more. All right, but real quick, Sortic with the more. Let's go. Marland with the more. Land Crypto with the more. Jerome with the more. Dame with the more. Toki with the more. Crypto Knight with the more. Alex with the more. Jazz B with the more. Bit Phantom with the more. The Nero Cannon with the more. Charles Wong with the more. Monster Boneless with the more. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Good job. Good job on that. Good job. I appreciate you guys putting more. That's what I like to hear. That's what I like to hear. Who else had the more? Who else had the more? Always see this move. Are we all at the 2 hour mark? We're almost there. We're 1 minute away from the 2 hour mark. Brad with the more. Brock with the more. Bolo with the more. Let's go. Who else? Who else? China's Army with the more interesting name. What else we got? Artie Day. Let's see. Who else? Give me it. Dude, I'm now. There you go. Hans with the more.
Who's your daddy?
Great work, man. Great work. Whoever put more, I love you guys. You're awesome. All right. More is the winner. We're going to sit here until our TP hits at 55K, though. Let's continue. More is our official winner. Congratulations one more time. Everybody pat on the back if you said more. Jacob, you're going to put on a crypto coin, the Lux coin. That'd be kind of cool. No, it'd be Pepe. Or Pepe's already a thing. All right, let's hit TP, guys. Let's hit TP1 here. 55K. Come on, baby. Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? Come on. I really want to just nail who's your daddy. I think Pepe coin's already a thing, isn't it? Pepe USD. Yeah, Pepe's. Oh yeah, because it's a damn frog. It's a frog coin. ETH to 32. Where is ETH right now? Yo, yeah, ETH32 is gonna probably hit before Bitcoin, or not. Let's see here. Beautiful moves, beautiful moves. Come on, guys. Congrats if you said more. Absolutely killed it. I really want to let's just see how. Hopefully we hit the 55K. Come on. Who's your daddy in the house? I'll be slamming that button if that nails 55 there. This is just a single move too. Unreal. Unreal. Here we go. Hit it for me. Tap it. Tap it. Tap it. Tap it. Long the 1 second chart. Should we go to the 1 second chart again? What's that high there? Sometimes it tags like 950. Should blow right through it. Let's go. If you said long though, remember, top 10 viewer end of the week. Guess what? If you're a top 10 viewer end of the week, you have a 1 in 10 chance of winning $100. Every Friday we do a $300 giveaway though. Right now, I'm pretty sure though, if you become a Hodl Gang member by hitting that join button on the YouTube right next to the subscribe button and the like button, you hit the join button. For $1, you can become a Hodl Gang member. I'm pretty sure you get an extra entry at the end of the week when we do the $300 giveaway. I will confirm, but overall, it did say that if you're a member, I can add bonus entries. So, $1, you have a better chance of winning $100. I don't see why. I don't see why you wouldn't do it. But appreciate everybody that did join the Hodl Gang today. Welcome. Especially our Pepe siblings as well. People that have become a sibling of Pepe, congratulations. You are officially the first few that have become the Pepe wheel sibling. That's pretty awesome thing to flex, right? But in that case, come on Bitcoin, hit that 55. Hit that 55 for us. We'd love to see it. Overall, 119 likes today. Love to see it tomorrow. Come back. We need to hit 110 likes again for the next 3 days. If you guys want to do the $300 giveaway on Friday, tomorrow I will enable point gambling because you guys wanted channel point gambling for some reason. There's a few other fun things you can do as well. There's something called a heist. Let's look up what that is while we're waiting on this thing to cash in. There's a heist amount of points you can do, which is quite interesting. I have to go through the commands here. Let's see the default. Heist command. Let's see. Let me bring that music back up. Heist. Where is it? Heist. Allow viewers to start a heist. I don't know what that is, but this sounds kind of cool. Dame said no gambling. It got voted, man. People voted yes. I can't say no. Sordic, you got top 10 regardless. Sordic, you got top 10. If you do it, fam said do it. Gamble's not on yet. Gamble will be on tomorrow. Hey, sorry. What I did change though, Dame, to help you guys out, so it's not, you're not freaking out about it. The gambling, the point gambling, okay, in game, point gambling in game, of course, is now a 1 multiplier. All the 1 through 50, you win 0 points. 51 through 75 is a 1 multiplier instead of a 2. It was set to 2 before for some reason. 76 and 98 is a 2 multiplier, and then 99 to 100 is a 3 multiplier. So You have a chance. We'll enable that back tomorrow. You guys voted on it. It wasn't me. I'm not picking this. You guys picked it. Heist we can enable too if you want to try it. You do exclamation heist and then points, but it's not. We can try that tomorrow. There's a slot mini game. There's so many weird ones. Oh, this is different. This is like an emote thing. We're not doing that. It doesn't work on here. It'd work on Twitch if we had it. Come on, hit the 55K high there. 49980 almost hit. What are watch point times now? They're 50. Watch point, but you get it at the end of the week. Look at that. 1 minute tapping. It wants it. I don't know if 1 minute's worth actually looking at it. That's gonna drive me crazy. I'm gonna get real antsy. Yeah, hit it so we can go to sleep. If it for some reason in this 15-minute candle doesn't hit, then we'll probably call it. Chatting is you get just normal points for chatting. I have to go back and look, but just when you chat, you get points. It just depends on how long you're here and how long you're chatting for. But it takes into account any chatting for sure. As you can see, you already got the points. But for now, who's our top 10 right now? Who's our top 10 right now? Let me see. Next target above 55K is 57 to 58. Or there's a little bit of a range we're watching. CAD JPY, 115 on CAD JPY. We talked about it earlier. Just go back in the stream, you'll see it. I think it's time. We got 3 minutes left in this 15-minute thing. I'm gonna just go ahead and put the background music in. Well, take that down. Come down for me. Do you expect a correction before halving? I mean, we already had the correction before halving, to be honest. To be completely honest, we already had the correction before halving. 2 minutes 30 seconds. Let me look. Can I say anything else? Oh, let's just do closing remarks, I guess, while we wait on this, and then I'll flip to the end screen in a second. All right. Yeah, let's do closing remarks. Okay, guys. A few things really quickly. Make sure that you're following our Twitter. Okay, Twitter account is at LuxAlgo. That's not right. Where's X.com? I thought you'd come up next first. I thought you come up first. This is probably the wrong thing. Let's go home. LuxAlgo. Boom. At LuxAlgo. Alrighty. Okay. All right. On this page, we do day-to-day analysis. Hour to hour. We post it all the time. When we say something that we like to do analysis on, we throw it on the Twitter. Here's your, update on NVIDIA and PanW. People are asking about PanW. 7 minutes ago, right? So we were posting this all day long. This is not me. This is our entire team doing this. So overall, go on here, get some really awesome updates on stocks, crypto, Forex throughout the day. Also news updates as well. We're doing news updates. Make sure you're checking that out at LuxAlgo on Twitter. We're about to do another very massive giveaway on Twitter too. So make sure you're following that. Stay tuned for that massive giveaway. Besides that, the Discord's completely free. It's LuxAlgo or discord.gg/lux. Or just type in exclamation Discord in the chat here. And you'll get the link. You can join up. I'm gonna just spam it here for a second. Join that link. It's absolutely free. We're in there doing analysis as well. Mickey also does live streams there every morning. Does community streams going over the indicators. Just another person going live to the community. But other than that, guys, late night streams we've been doing on TikTok. So make sure that you're joining that if you want to hang out with me like late night going over some charts. We've been doing that on TikTok. We're probably going to bring this show to TikTok here soon as well. We're just waiting on our stream K. But guys, yeah, it looks like we got 28 seconds left. Man, we almost tagged the 55K. Interesting little spot there. But you know me. I heard Gareth is releasing his own LuxAlgo indicator coming this Wednesday. Yes, sir. We've been working with a lot of your favorite traders, by the way, and investors and stuff, creating indicators with them. So stay tuned for some really cool ones, by the way. So really, really look for that. A lot of cool partnerships we're doing. But yeah, all right. Didn't end up closing on that 15-minute candle. So we're going to go to our end screen here. But we really appreciate you all being here. Like always, tomorrow we need to hit that 110 like goal if you want to do the $300 giveaway on Friday. Those of you this week, what's new is watch time hours. You get 50 points per hour. Right now, Marlan, you're going to have 50 points. Sordic, you're going to have 50. Brad, 50. Dame, 50. Fam, 50. That being said, though, those will be added to your profile at the end of the week. So I'm not going to give those points to you so you can gamble them or duel them. It's just in there. Just know your watch time. I can kind of update you on that. I'm pretty sure you can type in exclamation time or something. I'll look at the command for it. There is a command for it. You can check your watch time. But other than that, guys, have a good evening. Hopefully overnight we hit 55. If not, we hit 56, 58. Remember, a lot of low liquidity up here. So buying could drive us through many levels to just be completely liquidated and continue through these highs. So don't fight the trend. The trend's your friend. Welcome back. It's not exclamation time. I'll come up. I'll figure out the command. Sorry about that. I'll figure out the command. Geist root. I don't even know what yours is, my friend. I can tell you real quick. You have almost an hour. You have 42 minutes. But tomorrow I'll give you that command. I have to figure out what it is, okay? We'll be back tomorrow, though, okay? Guys, have a great time. Yeah, I don't know. That watch time might be it. I could fix it to watch time or something. But have a great evening. What a fantastic move on Bitcoin. Hopefully we get this continuation. If we do live on TikTok tonight, just put in TikTok alerts so you know when we go live if we do go live tonight. But yeah, I can't really tell you otherwise. But other than that, I think I'm gonna leave it there. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Need to hit 110 likes, do another giveaway, and then Tom, reach out to me. Okay, reach out to me on Discord, please, and you'll get your $100 to you guys. If you won on Friday as well, we're getting those out today too. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.
Who's your daddy?